The Greek New Testament diagrams provide further detail concerning the relationships between words and information for developing outlines in New Testament books. Often the diagram will help you to see what verses are part of a thought unit. To open the diagramming module, click on Tools on the main menu, then Language Tools, and Diagramming Module. To load a pre-made diagram, click on the button labeled Leedy Greek New Testament Diagrams. A menu will open below the button and allow you to select a New Testament book name, chapter, and verse. You can scroll down the diagram to see how the passage is divided into units. Some diagrams will have passage notes, where the editor of the diagram noted particular observations about the passage in the diagram. You can click on words in the text window at the top of the diagramming module to view where they appear in the diagram. There are other options for opening New Testament diagrams in BibleWorks. New Testament diagrams can be opened to display the verse in the Browse window. To do this, go to Resources on the main menu, then click on New Testament Diagram Database. The diagram for that verse automatically opens in the Diagramming Module window. Or if you're working through a passage and you wish to open a diagram at a particular word, you can right-click on that word and choose Open NT Diagram at this word. The diagram highlighting that particular word opens in the Diagramming Module window.